Have your plans ever fallen apart, leaving you wondering what's next? To be honest, I used to be that person who would say, okay, what's next, God? But I wasn't asking from a place of confidence, knowing that God's plan never fails. I was actually asking from a place of anxiety and fear. Psalm 33:11 says, "The counsel of the Lord stands forever, the plans of his heart to all generations." So while human plans may shift, they may change, or they might even really crumble, God's counsel stands forever. His plans are not reactive like we tend to be sometimes. They are rooted in eternal wisdom and love. And they're not just for the moment, they reach across generations, y'all. So I'm sure you've come up against some things in your life that should have taken you out. But the prayers of your ancestors, God heard and fulfilled them over the generations. When life feels uncertain, let this verse be your anchor. Your circumstances may surprise you, but guess what? They don't surprise God. His plans for you are steady, secure, and sovereign. So even when doors close, delays happen, or things don't make sense to you, as they often don't when we're talking about things in the spiritual, God's heart is still set on you. So today, know that you can trade your anxiety for trust. God's plan doesn't disappear. It is still unfolding. Keep walking through it. God's still working. See you tomorrow for another episode of 1 Minute on Purpose.